In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in ClickUp. We'll walk through this process from start to finish, so you can quickly set up a structured calendar using a template instead of building everything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace, then head over to your list view. This is the standard view where you usually see tasks in a list format. You can open any existing list where you'd like this new calendar structure to live, or navigate to the area of your workspace where you want to create it. Once you're in your list view, look towards the top area of the screen for a small plus icon. This is usually used to add new views, lists, or other items. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. Think of this as the starting point for adding something new to your current workspace structure. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a menu with several options. From here, choose the option labeled Templates. Templates are pre-built setups that help you move faster, and in this case, we're going to use one designed specifically for calendars. When the Templates window opens, click on the search bar at the top. Type the word calendar into the search field. This helps filter all available templates so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. You should now see one or more calendar-related templates appear in the results. Find the calendar template you want to use and click on Use Template. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a new structure in your workspace based on that calendar layout. Next, you'll be asked to type in the name of the folder where this calendar will live. Choose a clear and descriptive name like Marketing Calendar, Content Schedule, or Team Events so that you and your teammates can easily recognize it later. This folder will act as the container for all the tasks and views related to this calendar. Below the folder name, you'll see a drop-down that asks where this folder should be created. Click on that drop-down. Here, you'll pick the location in your workspace, usually a specific team space or area. Now, select the team space where you want this calendar folder to live. Choose the space that matches the team or project that will actually use the calendar. Finally, once you've chosen the location, click on Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will create the folder, apply the calendar template, and your new calendar setup will be ready for you to start adding tasks and events.